Hi folks, I'm going to get the Mannock, DB Mannock in the air, but to do so I need to take the motor out and the ESC out of my old Super 60, which has been a faithful old plane, but I don't fly it much these days, so I'm going to take this out. It's a similar weight, so I'm going to pop it out. I'm not sure what the ESC is, looks pretty chunky. Should be a similar weight when it's done, so I'm going to take it out and install it in the Mannock, which I've just straightened the wings of with a bit of heat. It's come out nice. So I've got a little bit of work to do on the Mannock, but I'll take this motor out and offer it up and see where we're at. So I've taken out the battery tray in the Super 60, and I'll probably glue it in, but I might just get away without having to make a hole in the rear former there. So we'll have to see, because the motor actually sit about here. I might have to cut the shaft off the back to get it in. We'll see. But it's going to all fit easily, of course, so that's good to know. There's plenty of room. Got to build a top hatch yet, but there's plenty of room for the ESC, which is a Turnigy 60 amp. Make a hole through the bulkhead for the connector to the receiver. This one can just come forward to meet the battery, and that will go onto the back of the motor. So it's all going to fit very easily. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. So let's go and look at the plan and see what's next. Thanks for tuning in.